Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you something called the Format Painter. Now you may have seen this before. Format Painter, all it does is it duplicates the formatting from one spot to another, right? So for example, let's say I had Jed here. Okay, you can see it's bottom left justified, so I'm going to put that into the center, right? I'm going to make it red, I'm going to make it larger, right? Make the background yellow, right? So I'm doing all sorts of formatting to it. Let's change the font. Now let's say I write Jed here again. What the Format Painter does is just copies everything I've done to that cell and puts it onto that cell. So I'll go ahead and make my selection, go Format Painter. You're going to see it's activated like that. And I just click where I want to go to. Now the added benefit of this is, let's say I've got a huge range. I can do it for all that as well. So I can go like so, right? And I can do this for a number of things. I can do it for dates, I can do it for borders, I can do it for shades, right? I can even do alternating patterns, which is really cool. And that's kind of what I want to show today. So if I go ahead and select this row, and I'm going to make it this color right here, I can select the first two, go Format Painter, highlight the rest, and I can give me alternating rows. So that's a neat little trick like that. I can also do things like, let's say I'm doing a new column. Let's say I'm going one, let's go number, and then I'm putting numbers in here of whatever. Oops. What did I do? I got too excited. Okay, so I've got that stuff. I can even use Format Painter for columns, so I can highlight that thing and go like so. Okay, I can extend things. So there's a lot of things you can use for Format Painter, and one added trick I do is I put Format Painter at the very first position of my Quick Access toolbar. If you don't know what Quick Access toolbar is, I have a video on that, so go ahead and check that out. And because I use it so often, I tend to just press Alt on the keyboard and then 1. And that lets me get to my Format Painter really, really quickly, which means whenever I'm formatting or cleaning information or, setting up tables or going through large amounts of data, Format Painter I tend to use a lot, right? And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.